Now let's take a look at this figure 21-43, and it deals still with process sealing in accordance with 501.17. But reviewing the note at the top, it states a drain or vent located between a single process seal and conduit cable prevents overstressing and overpression in accordance with 501.17, item 3. But now notice in this illustration, we're in a Class 1 Division 2 location. We have a pressurized flammable gas or liquid in this can pump. We have a motor winding there that we're dealing with. And then notice we have listed here, though, a process connected equipment that is listed and marked single seal or dual seal shall not be required to have additional sealing in accordance with 501.17. Equipment should be used within the manufacturer's specifications 501.17, or you'd go over to, I believe it's chapter 235 and 70B and get your maintenance procedures. But notice that's the only seal you need. You do not need an add-on seal under the conditions where you had a single seal or dual seal that's rated. Basically, it's two seals, see. But you do need a seal within the 10-foot boundary that you see in the illustration in accordance with 501.15. And then, of course, if you want to get more of the bolts and nuts of such an installation, just see the ISA ANSI standard 1.27.01, and you could get more information if you feel like it as a designer, installer, that you may need it to understand better. But these are the basic rules, and that's what our figure 21-43 is illustrating to the user of the NEC.